Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to take you the rich history of Elmina, one of the richest and the brightest place in Ghana when it comes to history and culture. Today I'm going to take you through their festival called the Elmina Bakatue Festival. Stay with me and we are going to enjoy it. Thank you. Elmina Bakatue Festival is a festival celebrated by the people of Elmina, usually on the first week of July. This is not just a mere celebration. It marks the official opening of a fishing season in Elmina. It is also used to pay homage to the river gods, Benya, for protection and abundant harvests. It is used to honor the founding of Elmina itself, and it's a sign of unity and cultural pride that is passed down through generations. This usually starts on the first Tuesday of July with series of activities at the lagoon side, where the individuals engage in boat racing, the women will be on canoe, and a lot of stuff. Without wasting time, let's start the boat racing. The young and energetic young men representing the various communities in Elmina come together to compete in canoe racing. This year, they had about 15 communities coming together, each represented by a team of about 6 or 8 on a small canoe. So they divided them into a group of 3. So each group is made up of 4 communities using their canoes. So as you can see, the first set completed and this is the second set. After everything, the winners of the 3 events come together to compete for the champion of that particular year boat racing. Let's enjoy the moment. The members of the various communities gather along the Benya Lagoon to cheer their men up as they compete in the canoe racing. And it is an eyesore. It is really interesting how individuals will be shouting, cheering their men up to victory. Right after the first set of the canoe racing, the beautifully dressed women take charge. They are neatly dressed and they are arranged nicely on big canoes. They display cultural dance, singing and drumming. It is very nice and interesting. This, as in the case of the canoe racing, is represented by various women of the different communities in Elmina. So for example, communities like Bantuma, Eswechiri, Teterum are represented by their women on separate canoes. You can see that the canoes have different paintings. The paintings as a result of the sponsors in that particular year. Enjoy. In the same way as the men, the women also are into competition, and therefore the winners are usually selected after the festival. They use their form of dressing, who is neatly dressed, who sings nice, and who dance very well. And as I said, it is a really interesting moment in Elmina. Enjoy the moment. Not only the women, but the young boys also do their own thing in the lagoon. Now to the finals of the canoe racing. The three communities in the finals were set and they were ready to compete. Now something happened here. Just look at it critically. The white team, I believe they were in the lead, were interrupted. So should I say it's an accident that occurred, or the green team intentionally did that? It was quite embarrassing and disappointing. But as they say, the first shall be the last. They were leading, but they ended up losing the final. Enjoy it. Now to the most crucial part of the day. This is what the people of Elmina come around to witness. So you can see two old men, I would say they are priests. So you can see them carrying something on their head full of medicine. Critically look at the lagoon, on top of the lagoon, you can see them. So this is believed to be a medicine or something that they are going to put inside the lagoon to call the fish to come around, so that when they cast the net, they will be able to catch some. So you can see they have inserted the medicine into the lagoon, and then just look critically. So it is believed that when they do that, they are going to call or plead with the gods to bring the fish in the canoe closer, so that when they cast the net, they will be able to catch them. Now let's go into the net casting. Now let me tell you something brief about the history behind the net casting. So it is believed that two brothers who were both farmers lived in a nearby town called Iguafu. So one day, when one of them was doing his normal hunting and then the farming, it was very tasty, and in the quest of looking for water to drink, he walked from Iguafu to Anumansa, Elmina, to look, and then he found this lagoon. So when he found this lagoon, he named it Benya, meaning he has found. And then it is believed that This man is the founding father of Elmina because he located this river here, or this lagoon here. So after the next casting, the fish that they will catch are sent to Eguafo to give to the farmers, and it is believed that the farmers will also prepare something out of their crops to the people of Elmina because they are fishermen. So there's a strong friendship between the two communities. Now let's see how the net will be casted. The net casting is done 3 times, and on the third one there are gunshots symbolizing that the ban on noise making has been raised. At this point, the members in the community become quiet and all attention is on the fisherman, because it is believed that the fish that they will get or they will be able to catch from the net casting shows how the fishing season will be like. So everybody is critically waiting for what they will catch. So you can see the jubilation after the net was raised from the lagoon, because I can see they were able to catch some fish and the people were happy, meaning the next fishing season will be a great one. The final jubilation starts. The young boys with their canoes moving up and down the lagoon, the women on their canoes singing, shouting and dancing, and everybody happy because the Bakatue is finally over and it was a success. So basically this is the first activity that marks the beginning of the Bakatue and the lifting of the ban on noise making, funeral doing and everything. So from here there are a series of activities that will occur from the Tuesday to the Sunday. Enjoy the moment.
So my name is Isaac Emeritus Mensa, and we are in Elmina Bakatue 2025 Festival, and today marks the beginning of the festival. And we are so excited to begin this festival. So today we began with the opening ceremony, and a lot of activity has been done. So we are hoping to invite people from all over the country to come and support us. We just started the program, so there's more activity that will be going on. There will be the float, the compass, and a lot of activities. So watch out for the Elmina Bakatue 2025. It's going to be exciting and entertainment. Come and enjoy it. Let's enjoy it. Thank you.